Hello my friends, welcome to this video which will be like just a chat about my experience with some keyboards. I'm not like a keyboard guy or anything, I'm just normal working from 9 to 5, having some play from some time to time with my PC whenever I can. I don't have like a gaming setup, it's just I'm one of the guys who just connected my PC to the TV because I don't have like a gaming space. So whenever I'm just having a quick turn on the TV and have a quick session for gaming, just in between work and caring for the kid and everything. So I first started, of course, like wired keyboards were out of the question for me because I always sit on the couch and the TV is far away on the other side of the room, and it's difficult to have a wired keyboard. So the option would always be a wireless keyboard. After you finish your build with the PC and you have spent all your money, you don't have enough money for the peripherals, so you always start with something cheap, something that just works. And I started with this brand, which I don't think any of you know about. Even me, I don't know about it. I just had one from Amazon, and it's actually a keyboard and a mouse together. And this is called Iyusu, I think. I think this is how it's pronounced. The mouse actually has been great, is working really fine, no dropping connections or anything, it has been great. I always still using this mouse actually, and its ergonomics is actually very good, and clicks are very nice. To be honest, I haven't experienced enough mice to say that this is the best or anything. This is just a cheap option, which I found just works fine for me. But the talk is not about the mouse today. I'm just speaking about the keyboard. This is just a cheap membrane keyboard, which I'm okay with the switches and everything. I'm fine with it. To be honest, I'm not like an enthusiast or anything regarding the switches. So this is not a very big deal for me. Membrane keyboards were just fine. But the thing with it is that it was dropping connections and randomly, and I didn't know why, what was the reason. So I thought that it's just a cheap keyboard and I can upgrade it later. So I did upgrade to mechanical keyboards. Everyone was talking about mechanical keyboards and how they are great and how they are very much better than the membrane cheap keyboards, and everyone was really disgusted with the membrane keyboards. So I thought, yeah, I should upgrade to the mechanical and get into the era of the mechanical keyboards. So which I did, and I got this Logitech G613 keyboard. This is a very heavy mechanical keyboard, which I started with, and actually it connects with what's called Lightspeed, Logitech Lightspeed, with a little dongle, and it connects via 2.4 Wi-Fi and also Bluetooth connections, which you can switch between them easily, and it has like a power switch here, which you can activate and turn it on. So I started on this. Like, if you can hear the mechanical keyboard, for me it was a little bit heavy, and it's wireless, yes, but it's actually heavy to put on your lap, and also it's like a full keyboard. And the other thing is that the switches are very heavy to press on for me for gaming, but this was not the main issue with it. The main issue with it actually was the connection. The wireless connection was actually very problematic. It never worked really good. There were like double presses everywhere. You may be typing and it double presses, and sometimes it doesn't register the press. Sometimes it double press. It's actually working randomly. I actually hated this keyboard more than the membrane keyboard. And this was actually really a bad experience for me for mechanical keyboards. One may say, yeah, you chose wrong and you chose like unreliable thing. Maybe this is the deal, and I chose wrongly. Man, I should have looked better. But as like one who is not very in deep into keyboards, Logitech for me was one of the reputable brands. So I bought it in the hope that it would be an overkill for my use, but it actually was really worse than even the membrane cheap 20 pounds keyboard. So I as after a while, when I got some money, I treated myself and got this bad boy, I think. This is a Keychron 2HE, which I will be unboxing with you, and I will show you the unboxing and then I will speak about. About it. Okay, so after unboxing, yeah, I got this one, this keyboard, and actually I was amazed by the connectivity. It is still heavy. It's heavy. Still heavy to put on your lap. I think maybe a low profile one would be better, but I really love this. The feel of these keys and these switches are really nice compared to the mechanical ones. I think I don't know about much about the keyboards, but I think this pre-looping is doing magic because the switch is really smooth. You can like press on it and you feel that there is nothing, there is no resistance to your press, and it feels really nice. And for me, as someone who has never tried a high-end keyboard, this was actually like magic. I didn't know that something like this exists until you try it, and this was really helpful for me, and the RGB is actually nice. It's quite bright, so you will not be able to see the RGB, the actual RGB, but it's really nice. I would have loved to have like the pass-through lights in the keys, because it's not lighting the keys itself, it's just lighting around the keys. But yeah, it's okay for me. I don't like use it in the dark or anything. And this keyboard has been really nice, and for gaming it's really responsive. I missed this responsiveness with the Logitech keyboard. So yeah, this is just a small talk about my experience with Logitech and my experience with the membrane keyboards and Keychron K2HE. This magic of a Hall effect switches, the magnetic switches, it's like really magic. It feels really nice. I would recommend you try something like this, even if you are like a light gamer, or if you are just love typing or do a lot of typing. This would be a really good addition after you finish building your PC and finish spending all the money. That's actually, I would assume, more necessary, and then you have extra money, then you get something like that. So thank you for watching, and for any questions for this keyboard, just let me know and I will try to cover it up. I'm still exploring it, I'm not very professional in it, but I think it's a very nice one. Thank you.